All right, equivalent expressions, okay?
How many people are in virtual?
I have to look. Okay, so we are going to do number 1 together, okay? So let's look at number 1. This paper tells us to use the distributive property, okay? So we are not going to plug numbers into this one, okay? We are only going to use the distributive property. So if I give 4 to the x, what do I get? 4x. I'm going to bring down my minus sign. 4 times 2 is 8. Now, on the back of your paper, you should be able to look and see if you've got 4x minus 8. Let's see. I don't know where it is. Right there. In the middle of the diamonds at the top. There it is. Right here. So, am I going to ask you to color this? No. How many times should you get 4x minus 8? Once. If you get it again, it's what? Wrong. Okay? Now, I want you to skip number 2. Let's look at number 3. What am I going to do to the 2 in number 3? What do I need to do to the 2? Distribute it out. Okay? I'm going to multiply. 2 times 3 is 6, and I need to keep my x, keep my plus sign, and 2 times 10 is 20. So look on the back. 6x plus 20. Do you see it? It's like...
Found it. It's like in the, like right here.
It's like on the second.
Yep, right here.
Right here.
Right here. All right? I want you to do number 5 by yourself, and we're going to go over it, okay? I want you to do number 5 by yourself. You got to multiply 4 times 2 is what? Okay. What's 4 times 2? What's 4 times 5? What's 4 times 5? What's 4 times 2x? What's 4 times 2? 8. And I need to keep my x. Bring down my minus sign. What's 4 times 5? 20. Is that an answer choice back here? Yes. Let's see. Where is it? Right here. See it right there. 8x minus 20. All right, I want you to do number 7 by yourself. And we're going to go over it. I want you to do number 7 by yourself.
Hey, I found 2 8x minus 20.
Yeah. You'll have more than one on the back. Because when you color it, it makes a pattern.
Number 7?
Yep, number 7. What's 5 times 2?
10.
Keep my x and my plus sign. 5 times 3.
15.
Is that an answer choice on the back?
Yes.
Yep, let's see. Right here in the middle. 10x plus 15. All right, I want you to get a highlighter out. I want you to highlight all of the odd numbers. Oh. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, and 19. Those are all going to be done the way we did those first 5. Did we do 5 or 4? 4. Way we did the first 4. Okay? Where you give it out. Okay? Now, the even numbers, the ones that are not highlighted, we're going to have to do those a little bit differently. Because if you see, we don't have parentheses there. Okay? And the instructions tell us to factor the expression to find an equivalent expression. So we've got to find the highest factor for both numbers, okay, that they have in common. All right? So, what is a number that can go into 7 and 14?
6.
All right? What can I multiply to get 7?
1 and 7.
1 and 7. What can I multiply to get 14?
7 times.
I can do 1 times 14, and I can do 2 times 7. So what factor do these two have in common?
The 7.
The 7. So I can take a 7 out. How many times will 7 go into 7? So I'm left with just the x. 7 times what is 14? 2. All right, look on the back. See if that's an answer choice. 7 parentheses x plus 2. Let's see.
Yep.
Right here. I see it.
This is the first top one. Found it.
Yep.
All right, let's do number 4. We've got 8 and 24. What can I multiply together to get 8?
3.
I can do 1 times 8. What else can I do for 8?
4 times 2.
2 times 4. 24, I can do 1 times 24. What else can I do?
8.
2 times 12. 3 times 8. And 4 times 6. What's the highest number they have in common?
The 8.
The 8. So I can take an 8 out. So let's do that. 8 times what is 8? 1. So I'm just going to be left with an x. 8 times what is 24? 3. Is that an answer choice on the back?
Most likely.
Right here. 8x plus 20. All right, I want you to do number 6 by yourself. So you might want to make a list of what you multiply together to get these two numbers. What's the biggest number that they have in common? What's the biggest number they have in common?
The 6.
The 6. 6 times what is 12? 2. And I got to keep my x. 6 times what is 18?
3.
3. Now, is that an answer choice on the back? Right here at the top. All right, there are 20 problems on here. How many have we done together?
7.
7. That's almost half, okay? So that leaves you with a little bit over half to do by yourself. This assignment will be graded, okay?